Hi everyone, my name is Adeyemi Ogunaike, and by the end of this video, you will be able to write 5 basic commands using the terminal. Enough talk, let's write some commands. So the first command we'll be talking about is the dir command. So the dir command just gives us the list of files and folders we have rightly under admin. So if I click on enter, so these are the list of files and folders I have rightly under admin. I have pictures, I have Postman, I have practice, PyCharm projects, script.py. I have all of these files and folders rightly under this admin path. Now the next command we're going to talk about is mkdir, and from the name mk means make. So it's going to make, this command is going to make a directory. Directory means folder as well. It's going to make a folder for me from this command. So let's just say I want to give it this folder. Let's say fish. Let's say fish. So it's going to create this folder fish. Now if I want to confirm if fish was actually created in the admin, this admin path, now I'll do dir. Now if I go up now and I'll check, now you can see now fish has been created. Now if I now, obviously, what do I want to do with this folder? I don't need this folder again. So if I want to remove this folder, which is called fish, I will simply use this command dir. So from the name rm removes the directory, rm removes the folder that you don't want in this path anymore. So I'm going to remove that fish folder. So once I type in rmdir, the name of the folder I want to remove, I'll simply just click on enter. Now once I do dir again, I can assure you that you will not see fish anymore. You won't see fish. So dir. Now let me now scroll up to even check, the letters of alphabet. Let me now scroll up to even check if I'll see f, fish is only favorite. So fish is no longer there. So that's simply how to remove or delete a folder from this part. Now the next command we're going to talk about is system info. So system info actually just tells us all the features, the attributes and characteristics that your system possesses. The name of your system, the kind of OS and all of those kind of things. So once I just type in system info and click enter now, so you're going to see all the attributes that this system actually possesses. So if I just scroll up now, you see the attributes the system possesses. You see the bio version, you see the OS name, OS version, OS manufacturer. So if you want to know your computer pretty well, you can simply just type in system info and you will see things that your computer has that you may not even know. So the next command we're going to talk about is ver. So ver just tells us the kind of version we are using, and we are using a Windows 10 version. The last command we'll talk about today is exit. So this exit command is just like me moving my cursor right here and just clicking on X. But there's a command that you can actually just, instead of stressing yourself, moving your mouse, moving your cursor to click this, you can simply just type in exit, and exit actually just removes this whole environment, remove this whole command prompt terminal environment from this. So once I just click on exit, so that's it, guys. Those are the top 5 commands that you should know. In my next video, I'm going to talk about more commands that you should know in your command prompt. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any of my videos. And if you feel free to comment, please comment. Thank you so much for this video. Also share this video as well. It helps the YouTube, it helps the message go viral. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.